10 powerful health benefits of cardamom daily. Cardamom is a spice with an intense, slightly sweet flavor that some people compare to mint. It originated in India but is available worldwide today and used in both sweet and savory recipes. The seeds, oils, and extracts of cardamom are thought to have impressive medicinal properties and have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. There is some evidence that cardamom can help with high blood pressure, losing weight, and infections, but more research is needed. Cardamom can be used in cooking, but talk to your doctor before taking supplements or extracts of it. In today's video, we will introduce you to the Queen of Spices and talk about the 10 health benefits of using cardamom every day. We will also talk about the science behind this ancient spice's modern-day superpowers. Let's get started. 1. Enhances digestive health. Cardamom is a spice that significantly enhances digestive health through a multifaceted approach. Its digestive system-friendly properties come from the many essential oils it contains, such as terpenine, myrcene, limonene, menthone, and eucalyptal. These oils are very important for encouraging the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes expedite the breakdown of food, facilitating easier digestion and absorption of nutrients. Moreover, cardamom's essential oils have carminative properties, which means they help reduce gas and bloating, common symptoms of indigestion. This reduction in discomfort is not just about physical relief, it also prevents the formation of excess acid, thereby reducing the risk of developing gastric ulcers. For instance, test tube research also suggests that cardamom may protect against Helicobacter pylori, a bacteria linked to the development of most stomach ulcer issues. 2. Aids in detoxification. Cardamom offers diuretic properties. By increasing the frequency and volume of urination, cardamom helps flush out toxins, excess water, and salts from the body. This not only cleanses the urinary tract, but also supports kidney function, which is essential for detoxifying the body. By facilitating the work of the kidneys, cardamom indirectly contributes to the overall detoxification and cleansing of the body. Moreover, the essential oils present in cardamom, particularly cineole, have been found to possess antioxidant properties. This antioxidant property is especially important for the liver, an organ that plays a central role in detoxification. The liver processes toxins and breaks them down into harmless substances that may be easily eliminated from the body. By defending liver cells from harm by free radicals and toxic substances, antioxidants support liver function. One study involved people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease who were overweight or had obesity. The participants who took green cardamom supplements had improvements in markers of liver health. It indicates that cardamom may protect the liver, thereby detoxifying the body. For instance, you can make cardamom tea by boiling cardamom pods in water, allowing the essential oils and bioactive compounds to infuse into the water. This tea may be consumed regularly to stimulate urination and support the body's detoxification process. 3. Supports heart health. Cardamom's potassium content is crucial for heart health. Potassium is a key mineral that helps regulate heart rate and blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium and easing tension in the blood vessel walls. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, and managing blood pressure levels is vital for preventing heart-related conditions. In one study, researchers gave 3 grams of cardamom powder a day to 20 adults who were newly diagnosed with high blood pressure. After 12 weeks, blood pressure levels had significantly decreased to the normal range. This blood pressure lowering property supports cardamom's heart health benefits. Another heart-healthy component of cardamom is its dietary fiber. Fiber is known for its cholesterol-lowering effects. It aids in reducing the levels of LDL, low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, commonly known as bad cholesterol, which may accumulate in the arteries and obstruct blood flow. This condition is a known contributor to the development of heart disease, as it promotes the formation of plaque in the arteries, atherosclerosis, which may lead to heart attacks and strokes. By promoting the excretion of cholesterol and hindering its absorption in the bloodstream, the fiber in cardamom supports arterial health, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. 4. Promotes oral health. The reason why cardamom may lead to minty fresh breath may have to do with its ability to fight common mouth bacteria. The spice may effectively inhibit the growth of several bacteria that are commonly associated with dental cavities and periodontal diseases. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of cardamom assist in soothing inflamed and irritated gums, thereby reducing the risk of gum disease, such as gingivitis and periodontitis, which are major causes of tooth loss in adults. Additionally, cardamom's energizing flavor and aroma may eliminate bad breath halitosis, which is frequently a result of bacterial activity in the mouth and the breakdown of food particles. The spice's aromatic compounds, especially cineole, provide a natural and effective remedy for bad breath. One simple method is to chew on whole cardamom pods after meals. This not only helps in cleaning the teeth and gums by increasing saliva production, but also freshens the breath instantly. 5. Possesses anticancer properties. The mechanism through which cardamom exerts its anticancer effects is multifaceted. Primarily, the antioxidants present in cardamom combat oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress is a condition characterized by an excess of free radicals, which may damage cells and lead to mutations and cancer development. By neutralizing these free radicals, the antioxidants in cardamom help protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of mutation and cancer initiation. Furthermore, the bioactive compounds in cardamom have been shown to influence apoptosis, the process of programmed cell death. In the context of cancer, the ability to induce apoptosis in cancer cells is crucial, as it helps to remove mutated or damaged cells that may proliferate and form tumors. The spice may also enhance the ability of natural killer cells to attack tumors. Cardamom also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, which are significant given the link between chronic inflammation and cancer risk. Inflammation may create an environment conducive to cancer development by causing DNA damage and supporting tumor growth and spread. By reducing inflammation, cardamom may help lower the risk of cancer development and progression. 6. Benefits respiratory health. The expectorant properties of cardamom play a crucial role in alleviating respiratory symptoms. Expectorants help loosen mucus in the airways, making it easier to expel through coughing. The cineole content in cardamom is specifically recognized for this action, helping clear the respiratory tract and promote easier breathing. Additionally, blockage of the airways is a common feature in many respiratory conditions, including asthma and chronic bronchitis. Studies suggest that cardamom may help open up the airways in the lungs, a process known as bronchodilation. This effect is achieved through a mechanism that involves blocking calcium channels, which supports its traditional use in treating asthma. Respiratory infections, whether viral or bacterial, are a common cause of respiratory symptoms and conditions. The essential oils in cardamom, known for their antibacterial and antiviral effects, may help fight off these pathogens, reducing the risk of infections and their severity. To harness the respiratory health benefits of cardamom, using it in inhalation therapy may be effective. Adding a few drops of cardamom essential oil to hot water and inhaling the steam may help to clear the airways, loosen mucus, and ease breathing. 7. Exhibits antibacterial effects. The cineole present in cardamom is particularly noted for its antibacterial properties. This is crucial not only for treating but also for preventing infections, especially in the digestive and respiratory systems, where bacterial infections are common. For instance, in the digestive system, the antibacterial action of cardamom may help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora, reducing the risk of gastrointestinal infections and enhancing overall gut health. Similarly, in the respiratory system, cardamom's antibacterial properties may help prevent infections that lead to conditions such as bronchitis and pneumonia. Beyond cineole, other bioactive compounds in cardamom, like limonene and terpenine, contribute to its overall antibacterial efficacy. These compounds work synergistically to disrupt the growth and proliferation of bacteria, thereby reducing infection risks and supporting the body's immune response. One study found that cardamom essential oil may have the ability to damage the cell membrane of certain bacteria. When used in aromatherapy, cardamom essential oil may help purify the air, reducing the presence of airborne bacteria. For topical applications, diluted cardamom oil may be applied to the skin to help fight bacterial infections. However, it's important to dilute the oil with a carrier oil to prevent irritation. 8. It helps regulate blood sugar levels. Insulin is the hormone responsible for transporting sugar from the blood into the cells, where it's used for energy. In people with insulin resistance, the body's cells do not respond effectively to insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. The bioactive compounds in cardamom may help improve the body's response to insulin, thereby facilitating the more efficient uptake of glucose by cells and preventing high blood sugar levels. Moreover, oxidative stress has been linked to the development of insulin resistance and the progression of diabetes complications. The antioxidants in cardamom, such as the flavonoids and polyphenols, combat oxidative stress, thus protecting the cells and improving insulin sensitivity. This antioxidative action further supports the regulation of blood sugar levels and helps prevent the long-term complications associated with diabetes. In one study, researchers gave 83 people with type 2 diabetes either green cardamom or a placebo. Those who took cardamom saw health benefits, including improved hemoglobin A1C and insulin levels, after 10 weeks, suggesting its potential in managing blood sugar levels. 9. Benefits mental health. Inhaling the aroma of cardamom may have a soothing and calming effect on the mind, reducing feelings of stress and anxiety. This is partly because the olfactory smell signals sent to the brain may influence the limbic system, which is involved in controlling emotions and mood. Using cardamom oil could be a safe and effective way to help prevent symptoms of depression in patients. It may be used alongside other treatments to enhance overall well-being. Moreover, the antioxidants in cardamom, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, contribute to its mental health benefits by combating oxidative stress within the brain. The bioactive compounds in cardamom have also been explored for their potential neuroprotective effects. These substances may help to preserve cognitive function and prevent neurodegenerative diseases, further supporting mental health from a holistic perspective. Using cardamom essential oil in aromatherapy is one direct method to harness its soothing and mood-enhancing properties. Adding a few drops of cardamom oil to a diffuser or inhaling its scent directly may provide immediate emotional relief and promote relaxation. 10. Aid in weight management. Cardamom has many health benefits because of its powerful ingredients. It works against obesity and has antioxidant properties that protect the body from damage. The metabolic boosting effect of cardamom is one of the key factors in its ability to aid in weight management. Cardamom may increase metabolism, the process by which the body converts food into energy. A higher metabolic rate means the body burns calories more efficiently, which may contribute to weight loss or help prevent unwanted weight gain. Drinking cardamom-infused water or tea may stimulate metabolism and aid digestion, especially when consumed first thing in the morning or after meals. This not only helps in hydrating the body, but also provides the metabolic and digestive benefits of cardamom, contributing to weight management goals. Now, let's learn a bit more about the varieties of cardamom. Although while hearing the mention of cardamom, most people think of the green pods, it is not the only variety available. 1. Green cardamom. Green cardamom, often hailed as the true cardamom, is the most common variety found in both culinary and medicinal applications worldwide. Green cardamom, which has tiny green pods and a sweet, eucalyptus-like flavor with hints of lemon and mint, is a versatile spice in both savory and sweet dishes. From enhancing the flavors of Indian curries and Middle Eastern rice dishes to being a key ingredient in Scandinavian baked goods, green cardamom's unique taste and aroma have made it a favorite in kitchens around the globe. Medicinally, it's valued for its digestive, diuretic, and anti-inflammatory properties. It's often used in traditional remedies to treat stomach issues, improve oral health, and detoxify the body. 2. Black cardamom. Black cardamom, known for its larger size and dark brown color, offers a distinctly smoky flavor due to the traditional drying process over open flames. This robust spice is primarily used in savory dishes, imparting a powerful, smoky essence that is integral to the culinary landscapes of North Indian, Chinese, and Vietnamese cuisines. Black cardamom's specialty lies in its ability to add depth to stews, curries, and meat dishes, making it an indispensable spice for creating complex flavor profiles. Beyond its culinary uses, black cardamom is also recognized for its medicinal benefits, including respiratory relief and gastrointestinal health, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties. Let's discuss the potential downsides of consuming this spice. While cardamom is celebrated for its culinary versatility and myriad health benefits, it's important to be aware of its potential downsides, ensuring its consumption remains both safe and enjoyable for everyone. 1. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to cardamom. Symptoms may range from mild, such as skin rashes and hives, to more severe reactions, including shortness of breath and anaphylaxis. 2. Gastrointestinal issues. Symptoms like acid reflux, heartburn, and diarrhea complications could arise from the spice's potent oils and high fiber content, particularly in individuals with sensitive digestive systems. 3. Interactions with medications. Because cardamom may lower blood pressure, it might enhance the effects of antihypertensive medications, leading to hypertension. Consulting with a healthcare provider is advisable for those on medication or with underlying health conditions. 4. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Because there has not been a lot of research on cardamom during these sensitive times, pregnant women should not take high doses or use it as medicine, and breastfeeding mothers should be careful unless their doctor tells them to. Since you become well aware of the benefits and downsides of cardamom, you may easily incorporate it into your diet. But you may wonder how. Here's a simple and soothing cardamom tea recipe to enjoy the aromatic and health benefits of this exquisite spice. Ingredients you will need: 4 cups of water, 10 green cardamom pods, 2 tablespoons of black tea leaves or 2 black tea bags, honey or sugar to taste, optional, milk or a milk alternative, optional, for a creamy version. Now, follow these instructions to make cardamom tea. First, lightly crush the cardamom pods using a mortar and pestle to release their flavors. You don't need to grind them finely, just breaking them open will suffice. Now, bring the 4 cups of water to a boil in a medium-sized pot. Once the water is boiling, add the crushed cardamom pods and the black tea leaves or tea bags. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. If you prefer a stronger flavor, you may simmer it a bit longer, but keep in mind that oversteeping may make the tea bitter. Then, remove the pot from the heat. Use a fine mesh strainer to pour the tea into cups, discarding the cardamom pods and tea leaves. If you like your tea sweet, stir in honey or sugar, according to your taste. For a creamy version, add a splash of milk or a milk alternative and stir well. Now, sip and enjoy the warm, aromatic flavors of your homemade cardamom tea. Incorporating cardamom into your daily diet, whether as a spice in your meals or as an infusion in your tea, may offer a myriad of health benefits. Cardamom's rich composition of essential oils, antioxidants, and minerals supports its wide range of benefits, which range from enhancing digestive health to providing anti-cancer properties. Embracing cardamom daily could be a simple yet effective step toward a healthier life. Well, viewers, today you learned about the promising benefits of cardamom for our health. But do you know there are many teas that you may drink to protect your health as well? Want to find out more? Watch 11 powerful health benefits of mint tea. Or watch Drink clove tea every day for 1 week and see what happens to your body. You may watch either or both of them. Do you prefer cardamom in your dishes? Tell us in the comment section.